The Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has expressed deep emotions about the release of the new documentary, saying, and I quote, "This film is very emotional for me. It tells the story of our struggle over the last 2 years, a time when no other party in the country would have faced such conspiracies and attacks from the entire system, but difficult times to show who we really are." The AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal has added that the Aam Aadmi Party is unbreakable. This is coming just ahead of the assembly polls which are kicking off, and the voting for the same is scheduled for the 5th of February. The release of the documentary and the parts of which detail the kind of account these leaders from the Aam Aadmi Party, including the Supremo and also some of the leaders involved in the liquor scam, had to face inside the jail. Shubh Rana, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Shubh, as in fact, after the permission was not granted to the Aam Aadmi Party for the screening of this documentary detailing about the time of these leaders in jail, of Aam Aadmi Party's top brass in jail. This is what is coming out. Now the clips are out on social media, on many platforms including X. People are watching. Some experts where in fact Bhagwant Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, and other senior leaders, the Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh, Raghav Chadha, the Aam Aadmi Party MP, have been detailing about how difficult the time has been for Aam Aadmi Party, having spent the punishment in the jail. While some may consider this as one of the biggest game changer tactics before the polls, trying to galvanize the votes.
Yes, definitely, Simran, because this documentary named The Unbreakable revolved around the crisis which Aam Aadmi Party have faced during the time when Arvind Kejriwal was put behind the bus. The first leader who went to Tihar jail was Satyendra Jain, followed by Manish Sisodia, then Arvind Kejriwal, Sanjay Singh. And this documentary was released yesterday on the YouTuber platform, that is Dhruv Rathi. And Aam Aadmi Party have been struggling to release this from more than a week, because earlier they have tried to release it at ITO. Then they have tried yesterday also, where we had an exclusive chat with member of Rajya Sabha Sanjay Singh, where he had revealed he went to Godavari Stadium, to that auditorium to release that documentary. But there also Election Commission and Delhi Police have not given him permission, because they have said that code of conduct is there since elections are there in the national capital. But therefore, the Aam Aadmi Party have released this documentary through the help of a YouTube platform. And this documentary have crossed more than 5 lakh views. What we are learning at this point of time, and this documentary is completely revolves around the struggles which Aam Aadmi Party have faced during this time, and also when Delhi elections are around the corner. This documentary is trying to give the voters message that how strongly Aam Aadmi Party have backed up in spite of all the difficult situations. But yes, it would be, the results will tell us that what impact it have created on the voters of the national capital, since Aam Aadmi Party have created this, this documentary on all the streaming platforms where viewers are watching it. And it would be interesting to note that, Simran, what impact it would have on the minds of the voters.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.